1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Go. Sandbag drills. Come on, lift. Go. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tighten up your stomach. 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10. Good. Let's go. Leg lift to knee hug. Come on. This leg, hug up. There you go. Switch. 1, 2. Feel it? 3, 4. One more. Sit up. Take a break.